What's up guys, it's the Hotwheels Pro here. So today's car of the day means unboxing. It's all the cars which we have. And you know what? I have just packed the 70 Dodge Power Wagon and the Shelby, and that cars are also included in this video. So let's start with the top one. So on my side there are a bunch of Hot Wheels which I cannot show you now. So let's start with one Hot Wheel. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is the Tesla Model 3 over here. It is night over here in India, so I have turned on the flashlight. So yeah, so let's open the Tesla Model 3 over here. Not so hard to open. Packaging to our side. So as you can look guys, this is the Tesla Model 3 over here. So I really like some roofed car, but I do not like the Tesla owner that, because why didn't he make a convertible car? If he wanted to do a full car sunroof, so why didn't he make it a convertible? So yeah, so that's the one Hot Wheel. Let's keep it over here. So second Hot Wheel is this, the Datsun Bluebird Wagon S10 of HW Speed Graphics. What are we waiting for? Let's open this. Oh, okay. So this opened, packaging aside. So as you can see, this is the Datsun Bluebird over here. So as you can see, this is SUV. So I noticed one thing, that it has this mirror over here. So mainly not on the bonnet. So cool. Momo Kaido house Hot Wheels. I like red and blue Hot Wheels especially. And SUVs also. Let's go to the next one. Next is the Nissan Skyline GTR B and R32. So this is already open from here. Means yeah. So let's open this. Throw packaging aside. And ow, what the heck? What the heck? Why is this not opening? Sprouts. So yeah guys, it's not opening. Now yes, open. So as you can see guys, this is a Nissan Skyline. Throw packaging aside. So as you can look, this is the Nissan Skyline. Over here, Nissan Skyline GTR R32 over here. So I like this also guys, because it's very normal, like we did. Okay, so to our next car. So next car is this, the Dark Knight Batmobile over here with the Batman. Okay, that's about it. I like Batman cars. Usually I like all the Hot Wheels. Oh yes. Oh. Packaging aside. Packaging aside. So as you can see guys, this is the Dark Knight Batmobile over here. My two friends have this car, and today I also buy it. So yeah, as you can see, visible, right? Yeah. Pocket side. And our next car is the special car, the Tokyo 2020 Sky 2. My friend has this car, so I also buy this car. So let's open this. Oh, yes. Throw packaging aside. So as you can see guys, this is the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games car. And as you can look guys, it can be like up and down. So yeah guys, I like this rimmed car because no car has the very cool rims, but this car is very cool. Park it aside. We need to open many Hot Wheels over here. As you can see guys, here is the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. What are you waiting for? Let's open it, boy. So packaging aside, and this one over here, and this is a Volkswagen Beetle van pickup over here. So I usually like trucks also. So you will confuse like that. Why I'm saying that I like all the hobbies. Okay, so I have one man. As you can see over here, that soon. No, it's a Volkswagen. Let's park it aside. Over here. Next car is the HW Exotics McLaren P1. I have opened this already, but just stick with the glue stick again. So it's open like this. So let's just this. Okay, some McLaren P1. Okay, so guys, the HW Exotics McLaren P1, the first McLaren which I'm opening. Cool. To the side. So next one is the Range Rover Velar. I like SUVs, as I said, like this. Let's over here. Open this one.